How to change Facebook cover photo without notification. So if you want to change your Facebook cover photo without notification, then simply open up your Facebook and then go for the upper right corner which has that three band icon. Go for your profile, and let me tell you one thing, that if you choose the photos from your Facebook to add to your cover photo, then you won't be notified. But if you have added the other photo, like other photos, new photos, then it might notify. Or there is also another option. What you can do is after simply choosing a photo, so for example, I'll be choosing this photo, right? So after choosing the cover photo, now what you have to do is on the bottom of your screen, you will have share your update to news feed. So you have to simply turn that off. And after turning that off, every single photo, like your profile photo or your cover photo, every single photo will change without notification. So simply turn that off, and then you can tap on save, which is on the upper right, and it might take some time. And after that, it has been uploaded. So now you can simply scroll down, and here you can see that I don't have that on my newsfeed. So that's it. You can change your cover photo without notification by this process. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.